Number 5. Introducing Mark, a compact drone with cutting-edge AI technology and adorable features. Mark is enhanced with VIO positioning mode to easily achieve precise and stable indoor and outdoor hovering. Mark sees and tracks the surroundings so you can control it without any trouble, whether you're outdoors or indoors. Mark can also record the trajectory where it goes, whether through the app or by hand. Mark can fly through the recorded trajectory. It is so small that you put into a bag or purse. Gesture control lets you click picture instantly. Bring Mark home and experience extreme adventure. Number 4. Zeus Backup Camera. Backup is no more trouble with Zeus Car Backup Camera. No drilling, no wires, easy installation takes just 10 minutes of time. Zeus requires no separate screen. You can view back scenario directly on your mobile screen. In comparison of other cameras and rearview mirror, Zeus spots coming car much earlier. Usual camera gives you 140-degree view, while Zeus gives you 170-degree wide-angle view. Zeus tracks every object on the way earlier and ensures safety. With Zeus, backing up is 10 times easier and safer. Order Zeus Backup Camera now. Number 3. Introducing a smart parking solution that requires no physical strength. It lifts bike itself and saves much space. It's Parkus. Working with Parkus is easy. Position the front wheel. When wheel is fixed, Parkus lifts your bike automatically. To unlock the bike, just grab it back and Parkus releases and brings it down. A number of bikers face problems including storage space, and the available parking devices require so much physical efforts. So Parking stepped forward as a great solution. Parking is the perfect solution and suitable for everyone from teenagers to the elderly. The unique design saves up to 40% space and looks stylish. Number 2. Introducing Survivor Filter, a next-level filtration device for your outdoor campaign. Survivor Filter Pro includes 1,000-liter pre-filter, long hoses, a hose clipper, and traveling zipper case. It has 3 levels of filtration. The pre-filter with 0.1 micron that removes harmful bacteria. The second level, carbon filter, improves the taste and removes heavy metals, chemical and pollutants, and then water pass-through 0.01 micro-internal filter. After passing these 3 stages, the water becomes 99.99% pollution and bacteria free. Number 1. Backblade 2.0. Are you feeling like an ape with hair on your body? Is your marriage life suffering from complications? Don't worry, Backblade is ready to set everything well like never before. With the unique design of Backblade, you can shave your body without asking someone to help. Backblade features an S-shaped handle, so no side or area leave behind, and you can have scratch-free experience. If you feel any uncomfortable, just detach the head and move the way you like. Want to change the blade? Relax, just slide out and here you go. Wet skin or dry, Backblade is compatible to both. It's time to be a man out of an ape.